If you run a service-based business, if you're a plumber, an electrician, a roofer, or do HVAC installation or repair, you're going to love this. Google has a tool called Local Service Ads that can improve your business lead generation efforts big time. But what are local service ads? That's what I'm going to tell you about in this video. Now would be a good time to subscribe to this channel to find out more ways you can grow your service-based businesses. Local service ads, or LSAs, are a way you can advertise by only paying if you get a lead. They are for service-based businesses that want to show up at the top of Google search results. You heard me right. LSAs are a pay-per-lead tool, meaning you don't pay when someone clicks on your ad. You only get charged if someone contacts you from the app. How much better is that? Stick around. I'll explain more. Why would you want to use local service ads? In the past, if a customer needed to look for a plumber, they would do a search for one in their area and usually see a Google My Business listing. They might see some ads, but then they would have to go to each website and do their research. It takes a lot of time and can be very frustrating, especially if you really need something fixed as soon as possible. If your company was running a regular type of Google ad, you'd be paying per click, even if that customer didn't end up contacting you. LSAs have changed all that. Google compiles the information your potential customer is looking for and guarantees that your business is trustworthy. This makes it faster and easier for people who want to get in touch with you and are more likely to want to move forward with getting your service. So what is a local service ad? Local service ads show up at the top of the screen of certain local search results and include your business name, your rating, your service area, your hours, your phone number, and the Google Guarantee badge. Yes, your LSAs will include this Google Guarantee badge, which proves you can be trusted. When they click on a local service ad, they get a lot of information, including your business profile, reviews, your license information, and business hours. It is almost everything a prospect needs to make a decision. It saves them hours of frustrating research and displays it instantly. How do you create a local service ad? You can sign up for LSAs through Google Ads and do it yourself, or partner with an agency like Clear Choice Marketing, and we can create and manage your local service ads for you. The ads are available to a variety of service-based businesses, but there are some limitations. The focus of LSAs right now is mainly on home services. So if you're not a home service business, these type of ads are probably not right for you just yet. And these types of ads aren't available everywhere anyway, but you can check out your eligibility with Google. When you go to sign up, Google has a whole list of businesses that do qualify for local service ads. A few examples of the companies eligible are electricians, plumbers, HVAC installation or service, and roofers. If you want to learn more about how you can do this yourself, leave a comment and I will point you in the right direction. You can manage your account online or on Google's local service app. That's the easy way. How do you get the Google Guarantee? You get the Google Guarantee when you sign up for your local service ads and go through Google's background check. It's free. The background check allows Google to guarantee you as a safe company to work with. It will cover up to $2,000 in refunds if a customer isn't satisfied with your work, as long as they found you through an LSA. How much does the local service ad cost? It's based on a cost per lead bidding model and varies by the industry or area you serve. A really good part about it is you get to set up what you want to spend weekly and monthly for your budget. You might spend some more some weeks and some less others, but you never go over your monthly budget. It all depends on the number of leads you get from an ad. Now that you know what Google local service ads are, you're ready to get started, but want more information? Go to learnfromroy.com. Thank you for your attention. This is probably for you.